This is the cover. What the f just happened? What the f just happened? Wow. What's going on, everybody? It's Trey Neo here, and welcome back to another live day trading recap video, and you all are in for a doozy. There's some crazy moves during the morning in this video. I do take a lot of trades, but I'm only going to show you the ones that have real movement to them. So the trades you're going to see upcoming, just know that they're all at least relatively exciting. I don't want to waste video time showing you a 15-minute trade that made or lost me 10 bucks, right? So I'm going to show you the exciting trades from the first hour of the day today that are live recorded, and then we take a lot of trades off camera as well. We'll go over those at the end of the video, plug them into TraderView, go over the equity curve and stats of the system there. If you're excited for the video, please hit the like button. If you're new around here, please hit the red subscribe button. That being said, let's get into the live trades. Here we go, long here. We are long at 457.32 on SPY. Obviously, this candle broke down this level. This was the level we were looking at to get in. Broke it down. We are long. If it breaks up above that level, we are out. Let's see what happens. Inverse me and you'll be rich. HYMC did come down a little bit after you talked about it, but it's still doing okay. It's still doing okay. He hasn't crushed it yet. He hasn't crushed HYMC yet. You crushed PIC pretty good by saying it was going to go up. That got crushed. But HYMC is still holding for you. Here we go. Speaking of holding for you, nice little bounce in our trade. Nice little bounce in our SPY trade here. Not looking to sell yet. Our sell conditions are up there. Here, let me get rid of this line. It's going to be confusing. Our sell conditions are up there. Ooh, CLVS push chat for you low float traders. You've got a nice lower, a lot of higher lows here. This didn't buy any dip mode right now, right? Because it's making higher highs and it's making higher lows. It's in buy any dip mode right now. CLVS is. It's not in chase it at 260 mode. I would not be doing that, but your next roll over to 250. Good luck, have fun. I'm not telling you what to do, but good luck, have fun. All right. Speaking of trades, look at our trade. We're up 30 bucks in this trade. Very nice. We're not looking to get out quite yet, though. It's still got to break this red line. It's got to break this red line. We're actually looking at this bar right now. We're looking at this bar right now. So if it holds up here without breaking that line, it looks like the next bar is going to be a sell because we come all the way down here, right? Let's see. Still 15 seconds left in this bar. Let's get a little push. Come on. Let's break through some levels here, SPY. Stop this sideways choppy crap. Close. Still not sell, though. Did not break it. Got close. 4 seconds left. Okay. So we're not selling this candle, but we are selling wherever this candle closes. Wherever this candle closes, we are out of the trade. Come on. Can you push for us, candle? Or are you going to roll over in our face? Make this trade red for us. What are you going to do, candle? What are you going to do? Once again, the beauty of trading a profitable system. I don't have to sit here and stress about where I should sell this candle. I know where I'm supposed to sell this candle when it closes. If it pops through this high with gumption, I'll sell half. If it pops through 457.8, I'll sell half. There's only 25 seconds left in the bar anyway. Pop that 457.8. Oh, it did. Okay, very nice. Okay, I'm out half. Well, I'm out 35 there. I'm still in 40 shares for the close of the candle. Woo, 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 woo. What the fudge sickles was that? I'm full out here. Very, 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 very nice. That's what we're looking for today. That's what we were looking for today. Just got caught in a couple of blah, sideways, choppy, indecision trades. There's the candle we were looking for. Feels like every time you sell half early, you leave some profits on the table. That is not true at all. That is emotional memory, right? Your memory is very emotional. That's why you backtest. Yes, I am now underperforming. By the way, we are short. I didn't really talk about it. I am now underperforming the algorithm by $15 because I did sell that half too early. But there's a lot of times that when I sell that half, SPY goes the other direction. I am relatively performing straight with the algorithm, even with selling half there. It's definitely not every time I sell half it rips. What? That's your emotional memory coming in and remembering the bad times, right? That's why backtesting is so important, right? Because your memory is very emotional. You only remember your big winners and your big losers realistically. So then if you try to use that to create a strategy, it's not going to work very well. That's why it's so important to use hard data, hard numbers, hard statistics in your backtesting. Excuse me. There's much consolidation today in the markets. Yeah, I mean, we're still, luckily, we're in that nice rip candle, but it's still largely chopping sideways, yeah. We're in a short right now from 457.80. Where do you backtest? In TOS / in Excel when I pull the reports from TOS. I have a whole video about this, True Earl. I show you how I do it. I give you the algorithm. I show you how to get it all set up. Why do you trade the algorithm if it isn't profitable? Marco, I'm not falling for the troll. Marco, I know you too well, bro. I know you're trying to rile me up. I know you're trying to rile me up. I'm not falling for you. It's gotta be like a non-sub, someone that I don't recognize to get me riled up. You guys that have been around forever, you can't get away with it because I know you too well. Taking half early is emotional trading versus following the system. I mean, maybe you're not wrong. By the way, this is a cover candle. This is a cover candle, and we are up $90 on the day. And guess what? I'm going to cover half. I'm going to cover half here. How long did you backtest it? I have a 12 months of data. I have 12 months of data on a 1 minute chart. So it's a shitload. It's a shitload of trades, put it that way. See, look, this time where I took half, SPY is ripping. You know. Okay, now you're all trying to rile me up. It doesn't work when you all try it. It's got to be like one person. It's got to be like one person that I don't know to rile me up. See, look, that time I outperformed the algorithm relatively greatly, actually. The algorithm got out full up here. I got out half here. No, it all, for the most part, evens out, right? Yeah, Whataburger's not that good. But, you know, it is still fast food. I will say for a fast food burger, it's really good. But, like, just go somewhere else if you want a burger. I don't know. We are short here. We are short at 457.78. Five Guys, the fries. Five Guys burgers slaps, yeah. Five Guys burgers are good, but they're expensive. The issue with Five Guys is, yes, it's fast. It's fast food, fast-ish food, but you pay like restaurant prices. It's almost like, you know, if you need a burger fast and you don't really care, I guess, you have money, you go to Five Guys. Or if you want to treat yourself every now and again, go to Five Guys. Breakfast yesterday at Sandra Bullock's sister's place. Oh, does Sandra Bullock's sister have a restaurant? I thought you... You said you ate breakfast yesterday at Sandra Bullock's sister's place. I thought you were, like, at Sandra Bullock's sister's house. Like, I thought you were hanging out with Sandra Bullock's sister. I was like, what? We're getting pushed into a little bit, and immediately we're back to break even. We are short here. Back to break even in the trade here on this red candle. We are looking to cover down here currently. This is our current cover candle. Mooyah is where it's at. There was a Mooyah in Knoxville, and I actually never went when I lived there. I never went. Don't they do, like, ice cream and burgers? I never went. Are they really good? There was one. There's one right next to the mall. What's it called? I don't remember what the mall's called. Eastern Town Center or something like that. There's one right there. I never went, though. Anyway, rolling over. We're up $100 on the day. Woo! Not to flex unrealized gains, remember? But it's actually not a cover candle yet, believe it or not. I lied. This is the cover. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just Wow. Excuse me. What is that candle? It doesn't even look that crazy. It doesn't even look that crazy on this screen. Let me pull over this screen. Look at what we just got. We're short here, cover here. Wow. I mean, this is a long candle. Whatever. I'll trust the system. I'm a little scared. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm a little scared longing this. But if the system takes it, I'll take it. Wow. Well, we're immediately green. Our current sell is actually here. Our current sell is going to go up and up for a couple minutes. So, would honestly like a decent rip back up here to get out. I'm a little nervous. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little nervous longing after this big red candle. But I trust my system. I trust my system. I back-tested breaks after each trade, and it made a lower percent per trade. What does that mean, breaks after each trade? What does that mean? We're in long, and we are getting dumped into. I mean, this is kind of expected after this candle. It's a little expected. I almost didn't take this trade, but if the system takes it, I'm supposed to take it. If the system takes it, I'm supposed to take it. Waterfalls. We do have the new waterfall emote. Wow, what a move. What a move. We were like, this morning we were like, man, SPY's kind of boring, chopping around. All of a sudden, we caught this move, we caught this move, we caught this move, we caught this move. Now, hopefully, let's see, maybe we're about to get stuck in a long down move here. We could. But look at how volatile SPY got, and look at how we traded it. This is a really sexy chart. Well, don't look at this long for right now, but look at how this chart looks really sexy. Long, short, sell, cover. Long, short. Or sorry, long. No, sorry, I didn't long here. Rewind. Long, sell, short, cover, short, cover. Caught like all these moves. So sick. Let's see how this long performs. We are, obviously, we're buying a dip. Trey, why are you longing here? Because it broke down levels. That's what the system does. It is a little scary. It is a little scary after a candle like that. I mean, this could give up all of our gains, but trust the system. So lately I have been like, okay, I'm up $100 on the day. I'm going to stop trading. Okay, I'm up 150 on the day. I could have just stopped trading there, and I've been doing that a lot lately. But the system does have $500 green days. It does. And I'm never going to hit one of those if I stop trading, right? I've got to eventually, sack up, and even though I'm up a lot of money, keep trading, right? Even if it does give up all my profits, I'm still taking a positive EV trade here. Eventually you got to, because if I lose all my money here, somebody's going to go, Trey, you could have stopped trading. But, you're never going to hit that $500 green day if you always are stopping at 150, right? You're on track to make $200 an hour trading. That is the current pace we're moving at, yeah. I doubt we're going to continue that pace, but that would be fucking awesome. Trying to bounce back up here for us. Our sell is... What is our sell candle right now? I do believe this is our sell candle. This is our current sell. We're actually still about to go up for a couple bars. We're about to go up for a couple bars here. Our sell condition is. Maybe we get another huge rip back up. Let's see. Or maybe we don't. Obviously, you're now still fighting the resistance of a huge red bar here. Like I said, it is a little scary buying after that dump, but trust the system. Don't just stop trading. Don't just stop trading. You want a $500 green day? You've got to take the trades. You've got to take the trades to get there. Be careful. Market is red. A lot of knives everywhere. No. Not going to be careful, though. I'm just going to trade the system. I'm not going to be careful. I'm just going to trade the system, right? You should keep track of your gut calls. See what percentage of the time your gut instinct is correct. Is there really a point? I mean, I guess I could do that. That would start to get really confusing, though. Then you'd have to compare that against the system's trades, and I don't know. The easier thing to do there would be to backtest. Don't take a long if the candle before has a, what is this change? This is, oh my God, that's a 90-cent change. Yeah, if the candle before, you could start backtesting that. Don't take a long if candle before had over a 75-cent change. That would be like the easier way to go about it. And maybe that's something I'll do in the future. Maybe that's something I'll try. We are green in this trade. Well, we were green in this trade for a second there, but still nowhere close to selling. Our sell candle is now up here. Our sell candle's now up here. In 2 minutes, we drop way down, obviously. So if we can shop here for 2 more minutes, we'll drop way down here looking for our sell. We want to. We want to. Back to break even in the trade? Well, we're down $5. Is this another System of a Down song? It is. It is. God, that drop was sick. That might have been the best like moments. It's not the biggest win, but it might have been like the best like moment since we started trading this system. Just the way it just like waterfalled and kept waterfalling until we covered. It was sick. It was so nice. It's not the biggest win though. What is our largest win actually? Let's pull up the trader view stats. I don't remember. I think it's like $90 is our largest win, largest single trade win. So $94 is our largest win. Oh, dude, look at how this new Chrome extension even makes my trader view dark mode. Oh, this is so sick. Thank you whoever showed me this. Yeah, our largest win's $94. That was like a $70 win, the trade I took. Okay, we are green. Our sell condition is this candle. So next candle, our sell condition drops all the way down here. So in 30 seconds, we're going to be a lot closer to getting out of this trade. Gary Boulet, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you, my friend. Dark mode, everything. Yeah, whoever told me about that Chrome extension, you're a lifesaver. Thank you. Forge is bussin'. Ooh, wait, who said they were YOLOing Forge this morning? Who said they were YOLOing all in Forge this morning? Congrats, there you go. Congrats if you actually did it, you sicko. Okay, our sell condition is now here. Still got to break it. We're still not selling this candle yet. We still could get dumped into here. But we're obviously much closer to getting out of this trade now. Just tally the number of times you're like, I don't know if this is a good setup and whether you were right or wrong. Yeah, something I could do, I guess. Something I could do. But at the end of the day, I know what my system trades. I know my system's win rates. And my system, obviously, takes all these trades. So at the end of the day, I should be taking them, right? Maybe there are moments where my gut can beat it, but, like, I would imagine that it's not. I would imagine it's probably roughly 50-50. 50% of the time I'm right, 50% of the time I'm not. Since it is going against positive expected value trades. Hell, actually, probably most of the time I'm wrong. Since I know these trades have positive expected value, me not taking them most of the time should be wrong, right? But I get what you're saying, because it could be like certain situations that I shouldn't take the trades. I do get what you're saying. Okay, our sell condition is still right around here. It's currently this candle. If we could just hold up for another minute, our sell condition comes all the way down here. Please don't roll here. That would be disgusting. That would be disgusting if this thing starts its roll now, right before our sell condition comes all the way down here. Oh, for the love of our all that's holy, please don't do that. Please don't do that. That would be gross. That would be gross. The system gives back money on losing trades. If you can prevent some of those losers, your PL will skyrocket. Well, of course, but that's no different than saying, like, well, trade, just don't take the losing trades. Of course. But of course, if you don't take the losing trades. Okay, we are selling wherever this candle closes. Whew. It did hold up. It did hold up above this candle. Wherever this candle closes, we're out of this trade. Looks like it's going to be a loss. But still not too shabby of a morning, is it? Hell, who knows? Maybe this candle gives us a push. Buddy, it's about to tank for 20 minutes. Why? Why is it about to tank for 20 minutes? Show me the stats. Once again, people love to say shit. I'm trying to teach you guys to stop just saying shit. But it's impossible. I mean, everybody loves to just say shit. Because that's how they were taught, I guess. Trading isn't saying shit. Trading is science. Trading is science, data, statistics. It's not just SPY's trade. SPY's going to drop for 20 minutes. Why? What is this setup? What is this setup? Why is this setup going to drop for 20 minutes? What are the stats? We're out. I think we lost about 35 bucks in that trade. Small loser. Definitely not as bad as I was fearing, though. Alrighty, so that was the live trades today. The first 30 minutes of the day, the first 30 minutes after market open, insane. We got up $150 in the first 30 minutes, which is crazy. And just two, really, a lot of that came from two trades, and well, a lot of it came from one big trade, which was so awesome, so nice to see. The system isn't necessarily built to capture huge trades, right? That's not the point of the system. But if you're getting in there, you're getting in where you're supposed to be, you're buying weakness, you're shorting strength, getting in there where you're supposed to be, sometimes it happens, right? So I always say you make a living off your singles, but you tell stories about your home runs, right? So that's kind of what this strategy does. Sometimes we get to hit the home runs like that, and this morning was one of those mornings. Anyway, we ended the stream, or we ended that first hour of the day. I think we were up like roughly 110. We dropped a bit of money from the morning during the second 30 minutes, the latter half of the hour. Let's go ahead and bring over the rest of the day now. Trey, it'd be great if you turned on your display capture. And we are up $144 on the day. So really, we just kind of grinded out some more trades that got us back to 144. Just continuing to do the same things, right? Long weakness, sell strength. Long weakness, sell strength. Long weakness, sell strength, right? We did get caught in a bit of a rundown here, bit of a loser here that took away some of our gains today. Then we made some of it back. Long out, short out. We made some of it back as well, obviously. So ending the day up 144.89, a really solid day for us. Trading 75 shares at a time, I consider like 70. If we're making $75, that to be a good day, right? So we just about doubled that today, just about doubled $1 per share that we're trading with today. So that's a really good day. Anyway, here is the actual equity curve today, or not today, but of the system. So it's been a month. It's been a month of trading, but what this time frame is tracking is 30 days. It actually hasn't been 30 trading days, right? It hasn't been. So this isn't even fully filled out yet, and we're up $894. This is the last day of March. We actually can now use this week. Well, okay, so take away $58 because $58 was made on February 28th. So take 58 bucks off this. We're up roughly 835, a little over 835 for the month of March, which is really solid. That's a really good for the first month ever using this new system. And remember, over half the month too was taken on smaller share size. So, if we were on 75 shares the whole time, we'd be a little up over $1,000 this month. And remember, speaking of share size and $1,000, once this number gets over 1,000 that I've made using the system, I'm going to up the share size again. The next step we're taking for upping our exposure, upping our leverage, is 100 shares of SPY. After that, that's going to be the highest I go with my equities in SPY. So the next time after that we size up, it depends on how the system goes, whether it be 2 weeks or a month or however long it takes, we're going to start looking at either leveraged ETFs or options. Now I'm going to need to do back testing to see which one of those performs best under the system, but I want you guys to know that's kind of the next direction we're going. We're going to up the share size one more time just on SPY, but then after that, we're going to run out of buying power to keep properly exposing ourselves to the right amount of risk we want to be, right? So we're going to have to go to different avenues in order to do that. And I know a lot of you guys are excited for that. A lot of you guys talk about options. Just know that is possibly coming in the future. Anyway, to go to the detailed, if you guys want to see the detailed statistics, you can see them here. I'm not going to walk through all of them right now. But obviously you can pause and look if any of this stuff is exciting to you. I like to show you because these are the numbers that actually matter when you're forward testing. So I like to show you guys everything. So that's going to be the video today. Once again, $144 made today, $894 since we started trading this system. And for the month of March, once again, taking off just this 58 that was made the last day of February, up roughly $835 roundabout dollars for the month of March. Just with a really solid, and I know someone's going to be like, well, $835 in a month, that's not that great. I understand that. I get it. We are slowly leveraging up, right? We're slowly sizing in as we grow the account further away from 25K. We're slowly leveraging up. We're going to be taking more and more trades as we just talked, or sorry, larger and larger trades as we just talked about. But just look at the overall equity curve. I mean, if you have an equity curve that looks like this, all you have to do now is size it up. The shape of the line is what really matters. These numbers are easily manipulated to a degree. If you start trading like millions of dollars, you start dealing with unnecessary slippage and stuff. But I don't know if we're ever going to get to that point. Maybe 5 years, 5 years, shit, probably like 15 years down the line, maybe we have to worry about slippage. But if you have equity curves that are shaped like this, these numbers are easily manipulated just by trading more size or options or leverage ETFs like I talked about. So that's really the important part. So really, really solid month, especially for the first month using the system. Really couldn't be more excited about it. I'm stoked. Hopefully you guys are too. Hopefully you're enjoying watching these daily trade recap videos. If you are, please hit the like button. If you're not already and you want to continue following along, track the progress, watch us size up, watch us keep trading, learn how to trade like this, how to build a system like this, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.